Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. In the series of PQED 10, let us see the seventh problem of grade 10 PQED. Okay, so which is covering the chapter coordinate geometry. So now, what is he asking? What is the ratio in which? So, what is the ratio you have to find in which minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segment joining minus 6 comma 10 and 3 comma minus 8. Sorry, yeah, 3 comma minus 8. Okay, so minus 4 comma 6 is the point which divides the line segment joining these two. So that means this is the point x comma y, and this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. And what you have to find? You have to find m1 is to m2. Is it right? So let us write the formula over here. What is the formula? We know that section formula x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so that implies what is x comma y? It is given minus 4 comma 6 equals what is m1? We don't know. m1 into x2 is 3 plus m2 is we don't know. And what is x1? Minus 6. When you have minus, you keep it in brackets. Divided by m1 plus m2 comma what is m1? We don't know. m1 into y2. y2 is minus 8 plus what is m2? We don't know. Into y1 is 10 divided by m1 plus m2. Now, as we have seen, one coordinate is equal to another coordinate. That means you can equate x coordinate to x coordinate or y coordinate to y coordinate. So which one do you want? Anything you can take. So since we don't have 0, let us take any y coordinate. 6 equals m1 into minus 8. m1 into minus 8. What is m1 into minus 8? Minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Is it right? So let us go. That implies, when I transpose this, what happens? 6 times m1 plus m2. Since we have two terms, let us keep it in brackets, is equal to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. Okay, so that implies 6 m1 plus 6 m2 is equal to minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2. And m1 try to bring it on left hand side, so it becomes 6 m1 and minus 8 it becomes plus 8 m1. And in the same way 6 m2 you take it to the right hand side. So 10 m2 minus 6 m2. So that implies what happens? 6 m1 plus 8 m1 is 14 m1 is equal to 10 m2 minus 6 m2, it is 4 m2. So now let us divide it. m2 you transpose this bit side, so m1 by m2 equals, and 14 when you transpose 4 by 14. Is there any common factor? 2 2 is 4, 2 7s. So that implies m1 divided by m2 equals 2 by 7. So that implies m1 is to m2 equals 2 is to 7. Got it, my dear students? So this is a purely section formula. This problem is based on purely section formula. Understood, my dear students? So please practice. And the most important thing is equating this one. So once you know how to equate, then it is an easy problem. Please practice and share it with others. Like, share, and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.